it's time for the very intense 5. This week is hot. So, what could have really possessed the man to open the wing exit on the plane while it was taxiing and jump out onto the wing in his underwear? Oh boy, I hope he gets the help he needs, and I'm glad no one got hurt.
That's really awkward.
Jeez.
Did Cardi B and Offset get married in their bedroom? So we hear they wanted something quiet. Well, you can't get any more private than that.
Germany out. The reigning champs couldn't keep South Korea out at all. Hard to believe, but it's true. Sorry, guys.
I see 0 Germany flags on the road now. None. So a Bahamian promoter is threatening to sue Popcorn for being a no-show at an event. But Popcorn says he's not the one who's being unruly. Poppy's lawyer states that the promoter is trying to stir up trouble by spreading lies. They say that there was late payment issues, venue changes, and lots of other things. Poppy says if they want to sue, bring it on.
And finally holding the spot this week, Spice versus Bella Blair. Bella apparently made a comment about Spice's behavior on Love and Hip Hop, and Spice hit back. The conversation on social media was savage. Like, why can't we all just get along?
Spice, yo. Spice?
Why can't we all just get along, guys?
Just we know what to say, but just know say Jano Spice. Like, you could have take time little bit.
But that's it for the Intense 5 this week.